Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MongoDB Compass, manage databases locally step by step clearly. To begin, locate the MongoDB Compass application on your computer. Double-click the MongoDB Compass icon to launch the application. Once the program opens, you will see the connection screen. Here, you will need to enter your connection details. If you are connecting to a local MongoDB server, the default hostname will usually be localhost. For the port, the default is typically 27017. If you haven't made any changes to your MongoDB setup, you can leave the other fields blank. Now, if you have a specific username and password for your database, enter those in the appropriate fields. If you are using a free local setup, you can skip the authentication username and password. After entering the necessary information, click on the Connect button. MongoDB Compass will then attempt to connect to your local MongoDB server. If the connection is successful, you'll see your databases listed on the left sidebar. From here, you can explore your databases and collections. To create a new database, click on the Create Database button. Enter the name of your new database and click Create Database. You can now start managing your data within MongoDB Compass effectively. If you encounter any issues during login, double-check your connection details. Make sure the MongoDB server is running locally. If you're still facing problems, consider reviewing the MongoDB Compass documentation for troubleshooting tips. You are now ready to manage your databases locally with MongoDB Compass. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.